Good afternoon, it's Rachel here, and we are going to do a flip through of the two document journals that we did. I finished them off camera, and they are both spoken for, but I did promise that I would show you them anyway. I've got a very unironed piece of fabric behind them, but we'll ignore that. So I'll just start flipping through, and then I'll just let you know anything that I did without you guys. I won't pull everything out of the pockets, but just remind you quickly of the few things that we did. So really pleased with these. Here we did those. That's just a folded page and a little tag. And what else? I haven't done a flip through for, gosh, probably not for a year or so. Maybe I can sit down. I probably won't go off screen. So yes, I'm really pleased to finish them, and did stitching around that one. That flips out. It's folded nicely too. It doesn't seem to move around. That was a little journaling spot with the old scanned old page. Added a few embellishments here and there. I added this in. I won't pull it out because it's fragile, but it's a lovely receipt in a beautiful faded blue colour. So I have gone in and added a few things. We did that together, I think, methinks. I added this little journal card in here. It flips up so you can write there. I just felt like that needed something else. And what else have I added? I think we did that together. Let's see, I've got a clip here. I think I've added a few things. I've added an old envelope there. So I think it's not 1921 or 1913, I'm not sure. And then just a beautiful pink receipt. That's that little dingle dangle. I added these as well. There's a check there. Someone sent me that. A beautiful, very old piece of handwriting, and then a 1700s double little mini book page. We did that together. So I'd like to put some authentic things in as well. We did this together. It's got the book page and some Florentine paper and that tag or journal card that we made together. This is just a little empty envelope that you can write on, and a folded old image. I think it was from the late 1800s. I think I did a bit more off camera on the other one than on this one. I'm not sure. We just added that in there. And then in the back here, we did this together. The only thing I added was this piece. It's 1930. That piece there, that lovely handwriting. So that's that journal. That was quick, wasn't it? And then we're coming to the next journal. So let me just double check as on screen as I can. And so this one here, I think I did that with you guys. I did do some of it. I'm pretty sure I don't know, but I might have put those in there with you. Didn't want to pull everything out because it's hard to put back in. So I've got those there. So I did it fairly similar to the other one. That's the flip out. We did that together. I'm sure that's the folded book page like the other one. Here, did I do this with you guys? That's a journal card and another lovely journaling spot. Love those. Pull that up a little bit higher. It's very pretty. And then I think I did that. Love that photograph. And then that tag. I added another one of those receipts there. And did I put anything behind that one? No. It's just that one. And then here I added a folded page, and I tucked it under that envelope that I had already put there. It's hard to remember what I've done with you guys and not. So that was the decorated antique letter as a journaling spot. An old 1700s book page. I think that one had the date on it. Then I added some of my swatching on hemp there. Dangle. And then I think we did this together. We need to make another one. Oh, added this 1800s, I don't know what it's maybe like some sort of little receipt or something, and an old check, and I've just folded it over the page. And then oh, I know I didn't do that with you guys. This one, I just took this beautiful piece. This is probably mid 1800s, this type, when it's this sort of color and that font. and it's plain on the other side, so I thought it's a nice journaling spot. I just added that little image at the top. Just tuck that in there. And then I just made that into a little journal card on some collage paper. Shove that up a little bit higher. And then what else? Oh, I added this little tab here. I don't know if I'm on screen or not. It's some, I just painted that piece of fabric. And then here I did put that in, and then I made a little floating sort of pocket that you can write on, and then I just made a pretty tag to go in it with a bit of my hand. I think I did that with Posca pen, that there, and that tabs. But I thought that was really pretty in this, and it just sort of all sits nicely in that the double belly band. And then I had to do everything in the pocket, so I'll just quickly show you. I did this tag and then made that into a little journal card. This is just a very old, it's double, it's a 1700s. It was actually what was glued down onto the cover. That was glued, and then that was the, was that the first page or the back page? That one wasn't glued anyway. It's very strong. So I just put that in there, and so that's in, put it in. It's hard because it's sort of all crease. It's a bit hard to slide in with the lace, but with that there it's easy. And then here I've put this beautiful 1737 page in, and then just a 1930, yep, there's the date, the same written page as the other journal. So they are complete. Now, just also I have, I am putting in, I've got some wonderful books, guys. Now, some of them are fine and normal shipping that I usually, because usually I keep my books under 1 kilo, which those of you who buy the books, you know what that price is. If they go over 350 grams, they go, the range is 350 to 1 kilo. I have an amount of books that are over 1 kilo. So I'll write it in the description box that this this parcel has room if you want to maximize the benefit for the shipping. If you want to maximize, yeah, the you know, the shipping, then I'll say what you can add into that with that book according to its weight. And then there's one book that it's really borderline, but I do have something that I'm going to add in. It's probably going to be the most expensive book. It's a bigger book, and it's from the 1700s. It's really gorgeous. I don't part with those very often, but I did get a few different ones. So I am, and I usually keep the ones that weigh over 1 kilo just because of shipping costs. But if you add something else, then it will make it worthwhile. But that one is really borderline. But I have something that I'm going to add with that one. That I'm actually, I've got, I'll add something to that one. So, don't, like if you purchase that one, don't purchase any more with it. I'll say this is borderline. If you purchase anything else with this, it will go over up to the even higher weight range. It'll go over 2 kilos. So, that tells you how fat the book is. A lot of them are rag paper. And I've also been hoarding some gorgeous Italian embroidery magazines. They're like, the newspaper sort of magazines. They're 4 pages, and pretty much all of them have the pattern as well, the beautiful pattern. I mean, there's monograms. They're stunning. So I'm putting those in today as well. I'm just trying to, I've been hoarding all this stuff, and I'm just trying to, I've got to let go of some of it because I'm just a hoarder. Just call me hoardy. Crooked hoardy. Crooked because I glue things down, crooked and hoardy. Anyway, I hope everyone's having a wonderful Sunday. I'm not going to do another video today because I thought I'm just trying to finishing things off. I've nearly finished this lovely journal that we did in the weekly challenge, so I just want to add a few more things, and that one will be done. I've been making tags and things and adding things to that one, and I've got to do the other one, so I do flip through those in a separate video. But I'm just trying to finish those few things off, so then I can focus a bit more also on the Medieval Mirage ones, because I really haven't gone very far with those. I'm quite behind, so I need to catch up. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing today. I hope everyone has a great Sunday, because it's really a great day. And yeah, I will see you tomorrow for Medieval Mirage Monday. Bye.